Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing everything that has to do with accessories. So we're going to be talking about jewelry and sunglasses and different accessories like scarves or purses and how that can be used to really bring out your inner creativity and your style so that you could make a statement. And especially if you're one who likes to wear more basic, simple outfits, accessories are going to be your BFFs. If you are ready to learn a lot about accessories, keep on watching. So I'm going to start with jewelry. So let's take off this scarf for a bit. Now, jewelry is an expression again of your style. You have probably noticed that I like to wear daintier layering pieces. That's my go-to. I don't generally wear chunky pieces unless my outfit is super duper basic, or if I'm like wearing black or something, then I'll wear a statement piece. This is like a nice statement that I wear when I'm wearing just like a solid white, or this would even look really nice with any kind of like neutral tones or a dark green. It just gives like a nice pop to your outfit. I wore this necklace right here when I wore this solid black beautiful dress for a mastermind. Broke apart the black and gave it that beautiful statement. It's pretty chunky, but it's also delicate. And so you could see like this is generally my go-to style. So this is where you really get to express what your style is. If you like the bolder ones, use it. You get to pick those items and really make that statement piece really pop. This is like my day-to-day. Like if I'm wearing a necklace, I'll layer it. So you'll see, like, I don't know if it's gonna show through in the camera, but these are two different tones. This is gold and this is rose gold. And I'll just like wear layering pieces like this, along with like maybe like a very soft, delicate ring. Excuse my hands that are extremely dry because Calgary, again, is so dry. If you're not wearing anything in your neckline, go bigger and bolder on your earrings because that's where the statement is gonna be. I picked up these earrings, which I generally never ever wear bulky big earrings, but these, I just absolutely love them. I would wear this on its own and it's just so stunning. Look at that. So it really makes a statement, but at the same time, it's a reflection of my style, very like girly, delicate. And when it comes to bracelets and watches, I absolutely love to layer. Now, let me tell you something about this watch. This is from a company called Jord, but it's spelled Jord, J-O-R-D, but you pronounce it Jord. And they were so generous to send me this beautiful watch. Take a look at that. I have never seen a watch made out of wood. This is the first time. They sent me this beautiful one that has rose gold in the face of the watch, and this is like natural wood right here. And I layer it. I layer it like so. And because I love wearing gold and rose golds, because I do have a warmer skin tone, I love this combination. So this is how I generally would go with wearing a watch, with layering pieces of these beautiful dainty, like dingling, I guess you could say, bracelets. And it just really brings together the outfit, as you can see, and it's really fun, you know? If you're going out on a date, this is a great piece. It's very hard not to speak about a piece like this. And I actually went to breakfast with my husband earlier this morning, and I was getting a few looks, like the looks like, ooh, that's really cool. That's a cool watch, because it really grasps your eye. And so for one lucky winner, if you submit the form that's in the description box below, you have a chance to win $180 credit that you could apply on any of the watches. How cool is that? In addition to using the $25 off code that's also in the description box below, because I will tell you that this is definitely worth the investment. It actually comes in this beautiful wooden box. It's made out of real wood. It's so well made, and it has a cool drawer right here where you could put like your necklaces, bracelets, whatever. So you could even use this for traveling. This could be like your little jewelry kit here. And then the lid is magnetic. Look at that. And then it comes with like this little puff is where the watch is. And then it also comes with, if I could find it, it comes with this 100% natural finishing oil to preserve the watch, because it is made out of real wood, made in the US of A. And this really protects and preserves the wood of the finishing of the watch. So incredible product, really nice quality. I absolutely love it. So thank you, Jord, for sending it over. I love, love, love it. This is like my new addition into my collection of accessories. Moving on to sunglasses. Sunglasses are so much fun to use and dress up your outfit, especially if you're going out on a date and it's outdoor. If you also have a petite face, you know what? I am not really a big believer of, oh my god, those sunglasses look too huge on you. Heck, if you really like the way that they look on you, wear it. Like, why not? So I have like these beautiful sunglasses that I picked up a couple years ago. These are some Chanel's, and they're just simple black but mirrored lens. These are usually my go-to when I'm traveling or I just want to look a little bit more edgy. That's what I will wear, but it's a pretty classic look. I also have aviators. These are Ray-Bans. I've worn these for years and I absolutely love these, and it has like the gold rimming. And then these are ones I picked up from Forever 21, and they are so fun and they have that mirrored effect. As you can see, like, my face is pretty tiny, but do you think I care? Like, I don't. I love these, and so I bought them. I picked them up. And next are purses. If you have a really casual outfit, a purse can really bump up your style. Of course, there are the classic purses that pretty much every single woman that I know love, like, you know, this Chanel quilted one, or if it's like a Chloe bag, there are those classic, really designer, beautiful pieces that are timeless. If you don't have the money for those, you really don't have to spend that in order to pick up a really nice bag, and I will show you how. I really love pieces that have like a pop of something. So when it comes to purses, I am obsessed with a pop of red. Here is an example of the most recent one that I've been wearing all the time. I picked this one up from H&M, and this one, it's a black, and it has like these gold like little pieces everywhere, and it has that pop of red. Every time I go see my doctor, by the way, she eyes my purse. She's like, I really love your purse. I'm like, go pick it up. I also wear this purse all the time, and I think a lot of ladies out there, you also have this, and it is the LV purse. This is like also a go-to when it comes to traveling, and again, has that pop of red from the inside, and I love the fact that it comes with a clutch. So sometimes I just take this out for dinner. I put my cell phone and keys and whatnot and lipstick in there. And I also have like the smaller ones. Like, this one is by Elizabeth and James. It's a very simple nude purse, and it just has this threading detail in the front, which I think is just so beautiful with the gold hardware. Next accessory, which I think a lot of ladies don't think it's an accessory, but it actually is hair and makeup. Now, with makeup, if you don't really like to wear a lot of makeup, that is absolutely okay. Natural look is fine. You can put a little bit of mascara, maybe shape your eyebrows a bit, add a little bit of powder in your cheeks just to bring out a little bit of color in your face, and then wear a bold lip. A bold lip is a statement piece, and it can really tie together an outfit, especially if your outfit is more on the simple neutral side. So you could see, like, I'm wearing a white top, and I was wearing this scarf actually earlier today, and I decided to wear Max Rebel on my lips, and it just makes you look like boop. This is one of my favorites. It's Lady Danger by MAC, and it's like this beautiful coral orangey pop for your lips. And then, of course, my favorite, Power Lip Fluids. I am obsessed with all of these because they're a beautiful MAC that's long lasting. If you want like a very strong statement piece, I have Roar here, which is a beautiful red. And then there's Explorer, and I love Rain, which you've probably seen me wear a lot. So lipsticks can really bring together an outfit, especially if it's really simple. In addition to hair, if you want to be fun, is just add like a braid up here in the front and just put it to the side. Or something that I used to do a lot, which I don't know why I stopped doing it. I probably should. I'll part my hair to the side, and then I'll take, here, let me sit down properly here. Ugh! So I'll take my hair and I'll part it to the side like so, and I will just literally tie it in a messy bun and just like fluff it up like this. And then have like a few pieces like coming down like that. And this is like, okay, like it will be cleaner than this. I just kind of winged it right now, but it gives a little glam vibe with some hair falling down. It's romantic if you don't want your hair up all the time. And that is an accessory in itself. Or if you want your hair to be down with like curls, or, you know, as I said, like adding some braids to your hair. The last accessory I'm gonna be talking about are scarves and hats. So I'm gonna bring back this scarf that I was wearing earlier, and this is just a beautiful printed scarf. If you are wearing a solid top, then I would really try to pick up items that do have print. So if you don't like leopard or any kind of animal print, you could use any other kind of print. Here's another scarf. This has like some fuchsia pink with black and white. And so this is like really like a statement piece right here, but it will still go with this beautiful white top that I am wearing. See? It's like a lot more bold. And let me show you the difference between like a print like this versus if you use like a solid color. Now there's nothing wrong with using a solid color. It's just, you know, and this one has a texture to it. I do like this, but I actually think that when you wear a printed design like so, makes it look a lot more dressy. Versus this is a lot more casual, as you could see. Hats are a great way to dress up your outfit as well. If you live in a colder climate, I love to pop on a hat, especially ladies. If you have not washed your hair in a bit of time and you are in a rush to get out of the house but don't want your hair to look all gross, put on a hat. This is really nice. It covers my ears and it keeps me warm. One of my good friends actually gave me this for Christmas and I still absolutely love it. And it's a neutral color, so it goes well with whites or black. Even if you're going out on a date, if you happen to go to like a coffee shop and it's chilly out, this is really, really cute. I hope that was helpful to you guys. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you love this video and subscribe to my channel as well. Also follow me on my Instagram channel, My Style Habibi. I post a lot of pictures on like my style inspiration and quotes that really resonate. And you know, my thing is all about helping to empower women to express themselves authentically, because no matter what video you watch, no matter like what tips I'm gonna share with you, at the end of the day, it's about you really putting on what is authentic to you. It really has to feel good, and you are gonna know that. When you put on something and it's like, oh, this is so me, and you just keep going to that item, that means that it's speaking your language and it's reflecting your inner radiance. So that's what I want you to take away from this. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.